Here's a call you're going to get from potential clients as a private investigator. It's going to be usually from a woman. She's going to call and ask for surveillance on her husband, who she believes is being unfaithful, and she's going to want it for her divorce. And let me tell you why this call is a problem. Hi, this is Larry K. with ShadowAnyone.com. I'm the creator of the Investigator's Ultimate Guide series, including the Investigator's Ultimate Guide to Surveillance. And just from doing a lot of this, that's how I know what to do and how I teach in my course, just the real world stuff. There's no theory in there. There's no, well, I read online that this might work. No, this is from going out from years, 9 years of being a licensed private investigator, running and owning my own agency. And you get these surveillance calls and you have to be successful at them. It's just one of those things, if you don't work, you don't eat. So the call you'll get from, again, usually it's the woman half of a marriage, suspicious that her man is being unfaithful. And the key phrase, the weird thing that I really want you to catch, is that she wants the surveillance for her divorce. Now, the problem with this is, in a lot of states, it doesn't matter if there's cheating or not. There's what's called no-fault divorces, and that's the way it is in my state. And every divorce attorney will tell you it doesn't matter if the guy is cheating. Does not matter. Will have no bearing on the divorce whatsoever. Now, I'm not a lawyer. I can't say that that's absolutely true one way or another. I've just heard this over and over again from my clients who are attorneys. And, here's the thing, though. Whether that's accurate or not, here's the thing you have to explain to your potential client. You have to explain to them that his cheating may not make a difference in the divorce. And here's just the real key. I always tell the potential client, look, I am more than happy to do this for you, but you're going to want to get with your attorney and determine what he or she needs to make a stronger divorce case. I will then go get that. If they need the person spending 2 or 3 consecutive overnights with someone, then we can try to get that for you. If it happens, we can go out and we can capture that through the use of surveillance. If they need this person leaving town or spending money on hotels or whatever it might be, we can work the surveillance to try to find these things that will help your attorney. But the key thing is to find out from the attorney what you need, what he or she needs to make a stronger case. I explain this to clients or potential clients, and then here's what happens. You'll discover that that was just the fig leaf that is to cover the true intention, is she just wants to know. Now, sometimes she wants the proof because she really knows in her heart. Sometimes she wants it to throw it in his face. Sometimes she wants it because she genuinely doesn't know and doesn't want to make a harsh decision based on just suspicions. All of those, yeah, we can do surveillance for you and you can find out the truth. When he says that his mom is sick and he's going out of town to spend the weekend with her to make sure she's okay, we can follow him and see if that's really what happens or not. But this idea that you're going to use it to further your divorce case, that's where you run into problems. And for the rare client, that's the true intent and not just the covering that they use to kind of make themselves feel better, then you definitely want them talking to the attorney first. Or even better yet, you want the attorney to hire you. If you are a surveillance expert and have worked in the real world doing these things, please, I'd love to hear your contributions to this discussion. Normally, I mean, the internet is a wonderful thing in this weird way that when you have professionals sharing ideas, it can be very valuable. It's almost like the only time you could really do this previously is maybe if you went out to lunch with a buddy, another PI, a buddy of yours in your town, or on those occasions when you would go to a private investigator convention, you could sit around, and especially between lunches and after lectures and that, talk with other professionals. Now we have the opportunity to share these ideas online. And I mean, if you haven't done this, or even if you haven't done it a lot, but you're learning, feel free to contribute. Please don't present yourself as a pro in this field and mislead others. Be sincere about your experience level. Be sincere about how much you know about this. But all questions, feel free to ask them if you have them. And if you have ideas that can help with dealing with clients like this, please feel free to add those as well. In the meantime, this is Larry K. with ShadowAnyone.com. Remember, do the right thing, even if it's the hard thing.